Hi, good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Chinese prawn with broccoli and garlic sauce. Easy, quick, and super healthy. So let's start. Please subscribe my channel and share. Thank you very much. To make a shrimp and broccoli, I took a 6 piece of local prawns, 1 fresh broccoli, spring onion, 6 piece of garlic, sesame oil, soya sauce, 2 piece of dry chili, and cornstarch. So let's start. First we cut the broccoli. Not very small and not very big. To cut the broccoli, we are going to boil it. After boil water, I am going to add the broccoli just for 3 minutes. Going to marinate the prawns. First I put white pepper. And salt and mix it. Now I'm going to make a sauce. I took a 2 tablespoon cornstarch, now I'm going to add the garlic, 3 pieces of garlic, one teaspoon sesame oil, soya sauce, and 1/4 water, and mix it. And I'm going to add onion, now sauce is ready. We are going to saute the shrimp. First make a pan high heat and add vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon, 2 red chili dry, add garlic, shrimp, After 1 minute, we will add the broccoli, add some salt and white pepper. We will saute the broccoli. High flame. I'm going to add the garlic sauce we prepared before. Before add, mix it properly and add. And cook it again 1 to 2 minutes. The garlic and the prawn, we mix it properly with broccoli and just wait for 1 minute. You can see. Now it's ready to serve.